Today has been really good actually, and today is not over, but I'm going on a side quest right now, which has been my biggest issue up until now, that I didn't do what I actually that I would deviate from what I should actually do. And I would always do anything, like so many different things, but nothing that was actually the most important thing. And today I actually, up until now, managed to pretty much only focus on things that are actually really important. Did a lot of lead sourcing in the morning, then I did some funnel hacking, which is very important for outreach. And then I learned about sales pages, which is also important because, for sales funnels and stuff like that. So that was good to learn. And yeah, those were the three things that I kind of learned today. And that's definitely a step in the right direction for sure. Next step is going to be to start outreach. And right now I'm helping a friend of mine do some market research on their client. And Claude is driving me nuts right now. Like, I don't know what the hell happened like 2 weeks ago. Well, I know what happened. I changed my internet provider, but it shouldn't be that, Like, ever since 2 weeks ago, Claude is just bugging out on me. It's just crashing on me. And today it got like almost unusable. Like literally I would just use Claude and it would just crash. It would forget what I said. It would literally have no recollection of something that I just uploaded or posted. It would delete requests. It would just be absolutely unusable. And I always use the browser version. So now I switch back to desktop version, and here it works really well so far. I don't want to jinx it yet, but I don't know what the problem is. Like, I really don't, because anything else works. Like, even though the timing is weird because I changed my internet provider at the exact same time that these issues started happening, only Claude doesn't work. Everything else works perfectly. Like, whenever Claude bugs out on me, I immediately go and load YouTube and Google and see if that works, and it always loads up immediately. So my internet is fine. Like, it can't be the internet. It's just Claude that's crashing. Nothing else crashes. So I don't know how to. I've never really played around with the firewall much. I don't know what happened, dude. Like, I must have tweaked some setting by accident or something that just blocks Claude. Maybe my antivirus program thinks Claude is dangerous. I don't know. I have no idea. Like, I hate troubleshooting, but usually you find the solution. In this case, I have no idea. Like, zero clue what the issue is. I mean, the last resort could just be to reset my computer, obviously not delete the programs, keep everything, but I don't really want to do that, but if I have to, I will. Right now I'm just happy that this is working right here. Another idea that I had that I haven't really done so far is that I will just use Claude on my laptop for a day and see if I get the same issues there. I just gotta eliminate possibilities. Like, I googled and loaded up Gemini and asked Gemini, hey man, is it just me or is Claude just lagging right now? Is Claude having issues? Gemini said, no man, it's like happening to everybody or something. Claude has had a rough few weeks. I'm like, I still don't believe that. Even though Gemini says it, I don't believe it, Because when I Google, there's nobody complaining about Claude right now. I'm the only one, so it must be just an issue that I have. I just don't know how to fix it. So I'm gonna, probably not tomorrow. I don't know, man. I like working on my computer more because I got 2 screens and I can do more. What the fuck are you doing? Didn't I just jinx it, huh? You idiot. I'm so over this, man. And I think okay, I take it back. We are seemingly okay. Alright, that's good. Oh my god. Well, as I said, it seems to work on the desktop app. It doesn't work on the browser version for me. So that would also indicate that Claude itself, like that Anthropic, their servers are not down, because otherwise it wouldn't work here. So it must be something in my browser. The thing is, it's also a cross browser, so it's not just one browser, it's every browser. Wherever I load Claude, if it lags in Chrome and I load it in Firefox, it lags in Firefox all the same. So it's not like, oh, I have some weird settings in Chrome. No, man. So that would mean that it's not the browser's fault. It must be must be my antivirus program or firewall or something, man. There's to be something on my computer that blocks Claude or something. And another thing that's really weird about that is that, that's not even true right now anymore, but for the past week or so, I would be completely fine for the first half of the day, like no issues at all. And then every day, like at 4 p.m. or something around later in the day, it would just start. That makes no sense, man. Like, why would it be timing based? Like, that makes zero sense. Like, I can't pinpoint the issue. I can't, like, none of this makes any sense. Like, usually you just, eliminate things. Like, you eliminate possibilities by changing one variable at a time, you know? And that's kind of what I'm doing right now by going on my laptop. I'm gonna, as I said, go on my laptop, see if it works there. If it does work there, and I'm using my Wi-Fi for my internet, then I can exclude my internet as the core issue. And I already excluded it, sort of, but this would just exclude it even more. So really the only logical issue here is that there's something installed on my computer that makes using Claude almost impossible. And I was like, is it an extension? What is it? And then I went on Microsoft Edge that I literally never use, and I think I logged into Claude there because there are no extensions installed there and it didn't work there either. So can't be extensions, most likely not. The only logical thing is an antivirus software. And that also doesn't make sense in the fact that why the hell, I mean now it doesn't matter, but why the hell would Claude work for the first half of the day but not for the second half of the day? Like, that makes also no sense. So yeah, there's like... I can't figure it out, but yeah, the most logical thing is there's something installed on my computer that bugs out Claude. No other explanation. It is frustrating the ever-living hell out of me. But since this is working right here, I'm a little relieved, and again, I hope I didn't just jinx it. If this also crashes on me, yeah, well, I still have my laptop, and if that thing crashes, then it is the internet, but that makes no sense. Again, everything else works, only Claude doesn't, so I don't know. I have no idea, but yeah, I'll figure it out. Again, it started when I changed my internet provider. But at the same time, it can't be my internet provider. I have no idea. I cannot explain this, and it is really annoying. It's so fucking annoying, man. Oh, man. Yeah, it's just really frustrating, but it is what it is. Well, I'm doing this right now. I actually was studying more sales pages because this is just running in the background anyway, but I think, what is this? 1 hour, 0 minutes. He's bugging out again. Come on, man. Please, don't leave me hanging. Oh, God. I don't know what's happening here. I just hope he finishes this goddamn research. Come on, please, 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 please. I don't know. I'm kind of hopeful about Claude Desktop, but those hopes might get crushed in a second. We'll see. What is this now? This is... oh, God. Come on, man. Boom, research report is ready. Oh. Well, where is it? Wait, it's... Where? You idiot. Oh my God. Well, we're... oh my God, this idiot. Our research report is ready. I only didn't write it, but it's here, bro. Moron. What a moron. This guy's so stupid, bro. Actually looking back, but I don't see a tool. I apologize. Shut the fuck up. Just work already. Like, my God, fucking idiot. What a retard, bro. Like, come on. Now let me do actual phase 3 research. Just shut the oh my God. He's so stupid. He's such a moron, man. Like, what the fuck was this just now? I'm so over this, bro. I'm so annoyed with Claude right now. Come on, I love Claude, it's so good, but what is this? What are these issues? I've never had them until 2 weeks ago. It was absolutely perfect until 2 weeks ago. I don't know, I'm pretty sure if I didn't change my internet provider, this wouldn't have happened, because the timing is just too perfect. Like, change provider, this shit starts happening, you know? I don't know, man. Makes no sense to me, I don't know. I have no idea, I can't explain it. In any case, well, other than that, I had a good day. I had a really, really good day. And I'm gonna have an even better day tomorrow. I always believe that every time, like, well, today was good, but we can do better tomorrow. In all reality, tomorrow is not gonna be much different from today, but it doesn't have to be. I just gotta keep doing what I'm doing and I'm gonna be good. And that's it, it's very simple, really. Anyway, I just want this to work, please. Please, please just fucking work, man. Ah, oh my god. At least this is happening again with the compacting our conversation, because there was another issue that I had with Claude yesterday, which is basically where it told me that it reached the maximum chat length. And that was an issue that it had in the past, and I really absolutely hated that, because it would just, you would be in the middle of a project and then all of a sudden you couldn't continue, and then you had to go into a new chat, scrape everything together that was half finished and put it in a new chat, and then Claude would be missing all of the information, you know, that it had from in the previous chat, and then you would have to explain what is even going on right now. Really annoying, man. And yesterday I ran into that issue for the first time again. And I was like, did they really bring that back now? But maybe it was a bug or something, because now he's compacting the conversation again, so yeah, I think we should be okay in that regard at least. What is he doing? He's not even gonna start, is he? Yeah. Bro, just start. Oh my God. I'm just gonna copy paste this shit again. Here we go. There we go. Come on. Just do what I tell you. Please. Please! Come on. Don't be stupid. Anyway, I'm done. I'm done rambling. That's it, man. Bye bye.